Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.6 from chapter 1, which is nothing but the continuation from example 21. And I think you have practiced all the identities which we have discussed in last online session. So today we will solve some of the problems, not some of the problems. I will clear all the problems which you have in exercise 1.6. So let us start with exercise 1.6, question number 1, which says find 64 power 1 by 2. So you can do this problem in two ways. First way is you have to know 1 upon 2 is nothing but a square root. So 1 upon 2 is nothing but a square root. In the same way, 1 upon 3 is nothing but a cube root. Cube root you have learnt in standard 8. 1 upon 4 is nothing but a quadrilateral root. In the same way, 1 upon 5 is nothing but a penta root. 1 upon 6 is nothing but a hexa root. 1 upon 7 hepta root. 1 upon 8 octa root. 1 upon 9 nano root. 1 upon 10 deca root. But there is not a that will not come into the picture. But 1 upon 2 is square root, 1 upon 3 is cube root. You have to make note on that. So the first way we can solve this problem is that 64 power 1 by 2 can be write as a square root of 64. Yes, yes. And we know that square root of 64 is nothing but 8. Yes or no? Yes. The another way we can solve this is, it is a one way. Another way is 64 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So can we write 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64 to the power of 1 upon 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now 2 is how many times 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So can I write this as 2 power 6 power of 1 by 2? Yes, we can write like that. So you know that because a power m to the power of n, a power m to the power of n is equal to a power m into n. We know this from last session identities. Yes or no? Yes. Now where if we compare this identity with this, we know that a is 2. Yes, yes. M is 6. Yes, yes. N is 1 by 2. N is equal to 1 upon 2. Yes or no? Yes. So now, can we write 2 power of 6 to the whole power of 1 by 2 as from this identity 2 6 into 1 upon 2? Can we write like this? Yes, we can write like this. So we know that 6 into 1 by 2 is nothing. I am adding one more step. 2 power 6 upon 2. Yes. 2 3s are 6. So can we write it as a 2 power 3? 2 power 3 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So the answer is again 8. If this problem in exam is asked for 3 marks, you must follow this procedure. If this question, the same question is asked for 1 mark, it is better to follow the previous method I have shown just now. Okay. So there are two ways. First is 1 upon 2 is nothing but a square root. Square root of 64. 64 is a perfect square. 8 is the 64. So directly you can write 8. Or else, if this question is asked for 3 or 4 marks in the last section, section C and section D, then you have to follow this procedure. You have to write this identity. How I have written this problem on the board, in the same way you have to write it in the exam. Then you will get full marks for sure. Okay. Now we are moving for a next problem. First question, second problem. In the first question, second problem, 32 power 1 by 5. Second is 32 power 1 upon 5. We have to follow the same procedure which we have just applied on the previous problem, which was 64 power 1 by 2. We have to follow the same procedure. Which procedure is that? 32 can be write as 32 can be write as 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32 to the power of 1 upon 5. How many times 2 are repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can I write 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 1 upon 5? Because a power of n to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Yes or no? Yes. Here, where ulta a is where a is equal to 2, m is equal to 5. M is equal to 5 and n is equal to 1 upon 5. N is equal to 1 upon 5. Yes or no? Yes. Now put this value in the right side of the question, right side of the identity. So can I write like this? A, that means 2, power of m into n, that means 5, into 1 upon 5. Yes. 2 to the power of 5 into 1 is 5 upon 5. Yes or no? Yes. 5 ones are 5. Both will get cancelled. So here you will get 2 power of 1, because 5 ones are 5, na? So 1 is only remaining. 2 power 1 is nothing but a 2. And this is your answer. I think this question is also very easy. So do it fast. And now we are moving for a third question, that is 125 power of 1 upon 3. If you are writing when I am teaching online session, it's better to pause the video and then you can note it down. Each and every problem I am doing in the class, that same problems you have to copy in your regular notebook. Moving on, the third problem. Third problem is 125 power of 1 upon 3. 125 power of 1 upon 3. Then you will ask, sir, 125, 2 का तो हमें पता है, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 and likewise. But sir, 125 का, so in 8th standard you have learnt about squares and cubes. So you know that when unit place पे 5 आ रहा है, then it is a definitely multiple of 5. You know this, yes or no? If you don't know this, you haven't studied well in your last standard. That shows. Chalo. So 125, we know that 125 can be write as a 5, 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 to the power of 1 upon 3. Yes or no? Yes. So for 5 into 5 into 5, can we write 5 power 3 power of 1 upon 3? Yes, because we do have identity which shows a power of m to the power of n is nothing but a power of m into n, where a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5, m is equal to 3, m is equal to 3. In the same way, n is equal to 1 upon 3, n is equal to 1 upon 3. Yes or no? Yes. Now put all this value in the right side of the identity, so you will get 5 power m is equal to 3 into 1 upon 3. 3 into 1, that is 3. So 5 power 3 upon 3. Yes or no? 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. So 5 power 1. So answer will be 5. And it is your final answer. So first question is over. Now we are moving for a second question. Good morning, students. Now we are moving on for exercise 1.6.2. Let us start with the first problem, which says 9 upon 3 by 2. So the first question is 9 power 3 upon 2. Yes or no? So the same procedure we have to follow. 9 can be written as, so 9 can be written as 3 into 3 power of 3 upon 2. Yes or no? Yes. So 3 into 3 is repeating twice. So can we write 3 into 3 as 3 power 2 to the power of 3 upon 2? Yes or no? Yes. This identity looks similar to which identity? That is a power m to the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Yes or no? Yes. Where a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. M is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. N is equal to 3 by 2. N is equal to 3 upon 2. Put all this value in the right side of the identity. Put all this value into the right side of the identity. So our answer will be, in place of a, we have to put 3. In place of m, we have to put 2. In place of n, we have to put 3 into 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Yes or no? We know that 2 and 2 are same, so it will get cancelled. Yes or no? Yes. So here, what we are getting? 3 to the power of 3. Yes or no? So can we write 3 to the power of 3 as 3 into 3 into 3? 3 is repeating thrice. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. So your answer will be 27. Easy? Okay. Moving on to the second problem. What it says? 32 power of 2 upon 5. Second is 32 power of 2 upon 5. Yes or no? Yes. Now 32, can we write 32 as 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So can we write 32 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the power of 2 upon 5. Yes or no? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we write this as 2 power of 5 power of 2 upon 5. This identity, this number looks like the identity which is because a power m to the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Yes or no? Yes. Where जहां पे a is equal to 2, where a is equal to 2, m is equal to 5, m is equal to 5, n is equal to 2 upon 5, n is equal to 2 upon 5. Put all this value into the right side of the identity. Put all this value into the right side of the identity. So the answer you are getting is 2 power 5 into 2 upon 5. Yes or no? Yes. This 5 in the denominator, this 5 in the numerator is same. So we can cancel it out. Yes or no? Yes. So here the value you are getting is 2 power of 2. Can we write 2 power of 2 as 2 into 2? 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 4. This problem is also pretty easy. Yes or no? Okay. So quickly we are moving on to the third problem. Which is the third problem? 16 power of 3 by 4. Third problem, 16 power of 3 upon 4. 16 power of 3 upon 4. So we know that 16 can be written as a 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So can I write 16 as 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16 to the power of 3 upon 4. Yes. ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम करने के बाद डायरेक्टली यू विल गेट आइडिया अबाउट द आंसर कि यहाँ पे 2 पावर 4 है और ये 4 है, तो 4 4 विल गेट कैंसल. सो द फाइनल विल बी 2 पावर ऑफ 3, 2 to the 4 to the 8. ऐसे भी दिमाग में आंसर आ जाएगा. कब? व्हेन यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द सेम काइंड. सो माय सजेशन इज टू यू कि अगर आपके पास प्रैक्टिस बुक है या और कोई बुक है जो आप यूज कर रहे हो, अगर आपके पास ये आर.डी. शर्मा है तो उसमें भी सिमिलर टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. सो दैट इज हाउ यू विल बी बेस्ट इन मैथ. ठीक है. सो नाउ 2 2s are 4 to the 8 to the 16. So can I write 2 power of 4 to the power of 3 upon 4? Doesn't it look like the identity a power of m power of n? That is a power of, because a power of m to the power of n is equal to a power of m into n, where जहां पे क्या, a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2, m is equal to 4, m is equal to 4, n is equal to 3 upon 4, n is equal to 3 upon 4. Put all this value where? To the right side of the identity, RHS. Now, putting this value in the right hand side, you will get a as a 2 to the power of m means 4 into the 3 upon 4. Denominator and numerator are same, so they can be cancelled directly. So here you are getting 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here your final answer will be 8. Yes or no? Yes. Now moving on for a next problem, that is fourth one. 125 power of minus 1 by 3. अभी आप में से कुछ माइनस देख के थोड़ा सा डर जाएंगे क्योंकि सर माइनस आ गया, माइनस अभी तक तो आया नहीं. माइनस इज नथिंग बट एक्सपोनेंट. एक्सपोनेंट आ गया सर, माइनस आ गया, कैसे करेंगे. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. Let us follow the same procedure which we have applied for last few problems. So 125 power of 1 by 3, you have to write it. The equation first, 125 power of minus 1 upon 3. Yes or no? Now, 125 is nothing but 5, 5 are 25, 5 are 125, power of 1 upon 3. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3. So can we write 555 as 5 power of 3 to the whole power of minus 1 upon 3? Because a power of m to the power of n is equal to a power of m into n. Yes or no? Where जहां पे where a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5, m is equal to 3, m is equal to 3, and n is equal to minus 1 by 3, n is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Put all this value where? To the right hand side of the identity. Now putting the value in the right hand side of the identity, you are getting 5 power of 3 into minus 1 upon 3. Yes or no? Denominator is 3, numerator is 3. Since they are same, they can be cancelled it out. Now what we have remained with? We have remained with 5 power of minus 1. Now in 8th standard you have learnt additive inverse and inverse. I don't know, I don't remember that, but the inverse is saying that if you want to convert inverse into the regular number, this 5 power of minus 1, 5 power of minus 1, what you have to write? You have to write below the 1. So this 5 power of minus 1 can be write as 1 power of 5. It is 5 inverse. It is known as 5 inverse. That means 5 power of minus 1. 7 inverse means 1 upon 7. 6 inverse means 1 upon 6. So that is 5 inverse 5 power of minus 1. If you have to convert it into the powers, then you have to write 1 upon 5. Okay. So all these 4 questions have been completed. In next online session, we will complete third question of exercise 1.6, and there are 2 graphical methods which we have to follow. First is successive magnification and another is root spiral. Both are very interesting, and you have to keep it with your graph book so that you can follow that method easily, and your compass and scale, pencil and etc. you have to bring it with you. So it will be easy for you to continue with the graphical method. Which methods are there? First is root spiral, then we will move to successive magnification. Both methods are very easy and easy to score to. Till then, आज के लिए इतना ही. Till then, thank you so much.